our two cakes from our Wedding Elegance line. This wedding cake and its accent cake. We call them charming. Today I want to show you how to do some of the techniques it takes to make these two cakes. Let's get started. I'm going to show you the ombre technique, but on a smaller size cake. So what we're going to do is take our darkest color with a tip number 897 and make us first strip right around the bottom. And then just finish off just like that. And we're going to make a few strips with the same color and make sure you start in the same spot and overlap just a little bit as you go around. And go slowly so that you have a nice straight line. We'll do one more strip and then we'll change colors. Next we want to go to our next lighter color and start in the same spot and make our nice ribbon design. We're going to make one more strip with this color and then we're going to change colors again. So then we want to start with our next lightest color and again start where you left off and overlap. And it's very important to work your frosting and that'll reduce the amount of air bubbles that you get. Now we're going to do a quick strip around the very top. It's going to link our two colors together. Okay, now we do our last strip around, just like that, and our first layer is complete. Next we'll take our 5-inch cake and place it on top of our layer. Now you want to take your same color that you just used and make it your first strip on your second layer, just like that. Now we're going to switch colors, and we're going to use our lightest color. And as you can see, I base iced my top tier the same color as my very last color I want to use on my cake. And again, you start in the same spot, make your way around. Now we're going to do our last strip around the cake, going right around the top. Now our ombre look is complete. I'm going to show you how to make fun flowers that you saw on the main cake. We're going to use our gardenia spray. So what you want to do is just take your scissors and snip off the large flowers. I'm going to use this flower and our gum paste petals to make a new modern look. And what we're going to do is airbrush it first with olive green, just barely spray them. Then we're going to use teal green, and we're going to airbrush just the edges of the flower. It'll give a nice kind of aqua-y feel to them. We're going to do the same thing to some of our petals, olive in the middle, and on the petals you just also want to just do the teal on the very edges. Now we want to shimmer our flowers and our rose petals. The shimmer enhances the color in the flower. And again with our rose petals, we're just going to take it and press it right in the front there. And we're going to add our petals around our flower. And there you are. We've got a nice modern flower on our beautiful ombre look. Now I'm going to show you the rosette technique on my accent cake. You want to start off with your cake base iced with the color that you want your rosettes to be. This way if there's any gaps in between your rosette, it won't show. Using a tip number 828, we're going to start at the bottom and we're going to make a C shape. Go next to it, squeeze, and make a C. And just go all the way around your cake like that. Now you want to start your second layer. Start in between two of your bottom C's and keep going around. It's just a really nice way to complement your main cake. Now I've shown you a few techniques how to create these two charming Wedding Elegance cakes. To see our full line of wedding cakes, please go to our website, decopack.com.